Hey, what's going on, everybody out there? Jason here. Wanted to do a quick video review of this male enhancement program that I've been on, and a lot of people have been asking me. They said, "Jason, what have you been doing? You know, what kind of? You seem like you have more confidence. My girlfriend's been impressed with my antics in the bedroom lately, and beforehand." I was probably like you, probably like a lot of you watching this video. I had weak erections. I had, confidence issues. I had, problems with my size. And, I started searching out new ideas, started searching out things on the internet. And so, what am I doing? How's it go down? Well, I have a routine that I stick to. And I do this routine and I do it consistently. And that's pretty much all that I do. And if you're out there watching this video and you have size issues or you have, you know, any performance issues, this program will definitely take care of it for you. The description is down there in the link below, and check it out. You can't go wrong. Great company, great people, and it works for me, and I guarantee it'll work for you. Thank you very much.